Good morning or good afternoon, Anderson 3 staff, students, families, community. As you know, we've had quite an eventful few days with Hurricane Helene coming through. And I want to say a special thank you to everyone who's pitched in to clear roads, to move trees, to help out families with power, which is quite a few. This morning we've been moving food to our locations that have power, our EMS and just all the first responders. I say a special thank you, our people on the power lines trying to get us back up. I mean, you all have worked nonstop, and so I just want to say how grateful we are and how much we thank you for what you're doing. It looks like in Anderson 3, our best case scenario to get back to school is probably going to be Thursday of this week. Right now, we only have 3 locations with power. Star Ivy Middle School and Star Elementary still have no power. Our other 3 locations came up last night. We do want to be able to do something to help our families, and so what we want to offer you starting on Tuesday and Wednesday, and as long as we're out, we will have 2 locations open, serving lunch, offering a place to recharge your devices, just offering a cool spot. Right now, you might notice I'm at Flat Rock Elementary in the cafeteria. This is one of the locations that will be open tomorrow from 10 to 2. We will be serving food from 11 to 1. It's open to anybody who needs to come. So please come if you can take advantage of that. Ivy Elementary will be our other location that will be open from 10 to 2. Same schedule, 11 to 1, we'll be serving some food. Anybody who wants to come, we'll have places to charge. HVAC's working, so it's just one small way we can help you. Please stay tuned on Wednesday. We'll make an update as to whether or not we think we'll be able to come back in the buildings by Thursday. But please take care of yourselves, take care of your family. And if you have a way to get out and this helps your family, please drop by either Flat Rock or Ivy Elementary tomorrow and Wednesday to take care of what we can offer you. We love you, Anderson 3 family, and we're going to get through this together. Have a great day.